Welcome back. Day number 2. We have 19 days to go. We are watching our eggs and we are going to be able to see inside the eggs shortly. Some of the things today, once again, we are checking the temperature, making sure that our incubator is staying within 99.5 degrees to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Checking the humidity, so the amount of water that is in the air inside the incubator. Making sure that our water level is correct by filling up the water. Checking the ventilation, the fan is moving. And we're also making sure that our eggs are turning 6 times a day. Those X's are perfectly rotating so far. The things that are happening inside the egg are going to be blood vessels are appearing, veins and heart are appearing, and the heart starts to beat today, which is super exciting. This is what is going on inside the egg. That's what it looks like on the inside without the shell. The words of today are fertilize, hen, and rooster. Today's activity is what is embryology. This will be at the bottom of our video. This is just a paragraph. You're going to read the passage and answer the questions about what is embryology, because remember we talked about that on the very first day of understanding the word, dissecting the word, pulling the first part and then the second part. So these are some of the questions and you can fill that out. So we are going to go and candle our eggs. So we have our candler, and today is a really fun day. So we are day 2, and if you look, you can see right here, that is the germinal disc. And if you look really carefully, so I hold it steady, you can start seeing some vessels, so some blood vessels. So if you look at your arm, you see all those blue, purple, and red lines. Those are blood vessels in your body. Well, the chick has to have blood vessels while it's developing inside the egg. And while they are developing in the egg, that the blood vessels help to move all the nutrients around. So today, blood vessels appear in the yolk sac, so we can definitely see the lines inside the yolk sac, and you have the formation of veins and the heart. So if you take your hand and you take your right hand and you put it over your heart, like when you say the Pledge of Allegiance, that you feel that beating is what is developing today. So our chick is starting to get a heartbeat. So that's really neat. So by tomorrow we will actually see the heart probably beating. You're going to also know that today on day 2, the eyes are appearing. Your spine that we talked about yesterday is also starting to be more present, meaning we'll be able to see it. It'll be a straight line in the yolk. And ears are starting to grow today. And excuse me, and then the heartbeat. That's really important and really neat because the heart is starting to grow and develop, and by tomorrow, we should see in the center of this, we should be able to see the heart actually beating. See if I can move my camera. There we go. Let me see if that works. Now you can really see it. So the other thing that is starting to happen is, see your air cell right here. So your air cell is right there. You can see it better there. So your air cell is going to start developing a little bit more today. And the other thing that's going to happen is your yolk is going to start to get a special membrane around it so that it doesn't stick to the sides. So we want to make sure that our eggs are rotating every single day, and the membrane that is going to develop today is going to help that baby chick that is growing to not stick to the side or stay on one side. So this egg was really good. Let me see if I can find another one that will work. You can see that my eggs are all moving and rotating, and they are moving around. My water level is really good. Let me see if I can find another one that looks good. That one has a lot of freckles. Let's try that one. So this one you can see a little bit. The other one definitely was a lot easier to see. You can start seeing the red lines inside here. They kind of look like zebra stripes. And that is the development, the starting portion of the veins. And if you look, our egg yolk, the big orange thing, isn't as clear as it was the other day. It's starting to develop. Oop. Our eggs are rotating right now. Well, they just rotated. So this you can definitely see that this egg is developing and it has all the right ingredients. So once again today, we learned that the heart is developing, the veins are developing, and our spine is starting to develop, and our eggs look really good. That was so much fun. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see what day 3 looks like.